What are window functions? Okay. The window functions are like, also again, we have two types. One is the aggregate one, aggregate window function. Then we have is the value window function. Okay, we have an aggregate one, which is sum, count, average, and so on. Similarly, we have the value window functions also, where we have is the row number, sorry, not row number. We have, mm, yes, here we have the lead and lag, and then we have the rank, third type, where we have is the rank and row number. Okay, the rank and row number. Obviously, there are a lot others also, but these are like more generic or more common examples which we have. Okay, now let's learn understand how it works. The window function is like, as we say, window function, a function which is applied on a window. Function which is applied on a window. Okay. Now, how we write this? First is the function we are writing. So any kind of function, it can be sum, lead, rank, or anything. So you first write which function you are applying over. Now that's the syntax part over, because you have to create window. Okay, on which window you are considering that values, on which window you are running that value. Now that window can be created either by like providing that column name directly. So here you have the column name, or additional parts you can provide is order by, like if you are running this order by column name this, or you can do it using what was it, partition by. So this is how you are creating those smaller windows on which you are applying this function. Okay, you are creating the smaller windows on which you are applying this particular function. Okay, that is how the windows are applied. So let's say if I say that, mm, suppose I have some table like this. Suppose if I have some table. Okay, here suppose if I have student ID, name, and contact. Okay, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for these six values, for these six students, if I apply, suppose, let's say here we have the marks also. Okay. Now, suppose I use the window function on average. Using the average, I return a query using the average window function over student ID. Over student ID. So what will happen? Suppose here the marks was, suppose 87, 82, 28 also, then 32, 47, and 96. Okay, so these are some average. Now, when we say that it has been done using uh, average of, average will not give us that good number values, but let's say, mm, instead of average, what else we can use? Now, if I go with average over the, uh, if I say average over the student ID, which means you're just averaging. Now, if you run average directly on a marks, okay, here it will like marks, average of marks over student ID, which means So here you'll get that window. Now window is student ID. Now this is the small windows you have created by providing this as a name column. You provide this as a windows. Now based on this, you're getting the results as 87, 82 because this is about the small window. Let's say if we have something like here it is more as a subject name. If it is subject name, where you have like science, science, maths, 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 and science. And if I say the window instead of student ID, if I say it to be, yeah, then it will be much better. If I say it to be subject name. Now, how window ID will work? Now, windows are generated in the form of first window is going to be the science window. Okay, the first window is going to be the this maths, and another one is going to be this science window. So what you will get as a final result, you'll get the average for these values. Like what is the average of all the science marks, like this, and this. And for this, you get the maths average. Okay, so that is how you're getting the windows. Like based on the window only, you're applying the function. The data will remain the same way, but you're applying the function, uh, applying a particular function on the specific window only. Is it understood? Is it clear?